Good manners are a clue for the generous lineage. The beauty of a man lies in respectfulness. The good reputation of someone is a clue for the good inner self of that one. The collection of goodness lies in the works of goodness. The beauty of faith lies in piety. The beauty of the intention is evidence of the purity of birth. Sit with kind people and you shall increase your kindness. Sit with the wise men and you shall increase your wisdom. The guest of goodness is a favor from God. The garment of piety is the noblest of all garments. The garment of health is the most blessed of all garments. Your garments on others shall stay more than they do on you. Be generous with what you find and you shall be thanked. The price of paradise is good deeds. The rewards of patience shall erase the bitterness of adversity. The rewards of jihad is the greatest of all rewards. The reward of patience is the highest of all rewards. The humility of someone shall raise him up. The completeness of nobility is humility. Make your ways heavier with good deeds. Fighting against the lusts of the self with science, wisdom, is an address of mindfulness. Good intention comes from the good inner self. The rewards of adversity come according to how much patience was taken for it. A good establishment is the best leader. Good chastity is the character of the nobles. The beauty of good doings is to leave mentioning the favors. Being in good satisfaction is part of chastity. The beauty of a favor is to complete it. The goodness of understanding is a title of piety. The beauty of the intention is a reason for reaching the goal. Good patience owns every matter. The beauty of the free man is to avoid shame. Good patience is the step to victory. Give what is finite and you shall win the infinite. Good cheerfulness is a character of every free man. The fight against the lusts of the self is the dowry of paradise. The good ask for forgiveness clears the sins. The beauty of the believer lies in his faith. Good manners are the head of every good deed. Sit with the wise men and you shall be happy. Complete success is to start with good work. The stability of faith depends on the might of belief. To hurry up with mending, that is a reform. The fruit of faith is winning before Allah. Be a trader with Allah and you shall win. The fruit of firmness is safety. The fruit of firmness is safety. The fruit of faith is sincerity. The crown of the man is his chastity, and his ornament is his justice. The fruit of believing is asceticism. The early times of Saturday and Thursday are blessed. The fruit of repentance is to catch up with the flaws of the soul. The blessing of money lies in charity giving. The fruit of judging the self is soul mending. To give from the fortune is the zakat of the fortune. The fruit of believing is the desire to stay in the eternal place. To leave the lust is the best of worshipping and the most beautiful habits. The fruit of wisdom is to win. To be good to the parents is the greatest assigned task. The fruit of satisfaction is dignity. Bring to yourself good tidings of success and winning, if you were patient. The fruit of asceticism is justice. Race to do good deeds, for they are an opportunity. The fruit of chastity is satisfaction. The blessing of age lies in good deeds. The fruit of piety, the happiness in this life, and the afterlife. The cry of the slave for the fear of Allah shall clear his sins. The fruit of the mention of God is the enlightenment of hearts. Avoid the sins that Allah prohibited and you shall succeed. The fruit of giving thanks is the increment in given favors. Be optimistic about the good things and you shall succeed. The fruit of generosity, the tightening of kinship. To do the favor in a hurry is to own the favor. To do a good deed in a hurry is an increment in the good deeds. To do the salutations first, that is from the good manners and habits. Bear, be patient, and you shall be honored. Take the chance, while you can, before it becomes something you can't swallow. If a man tightens his kinships, that is a charity. If you own, then be passionate. Do the obedience in the early times and you shall be happy.